How to change my Google account number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change my Google account number. First, go to your Google. Now, go to your profile. Here, go to Google account. Now tap on Personal Info. On scrolling down, you'll find your phone number. Tap to open it. You can tap on Delete icon to delete it or tap on Pen icon to edit it. Now select Update Number from your bottom right. Now enter your new number. Tap on Next. Then select Get Code. Enter the code which you have received on your new number to verify your number. Once you're done, tap on Verify. Your phone number has been updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.